After calling a timeout during the spring, buyers and some sellers are back in the game. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Let's go right to the East Bay big picture. The number of homes on the market increased between August and September almost everywhere in the East Bay. Sales activity also up in more than half of our communities. Days on market dropped to 19 days during September, the lowest since April. And pending home sales increased or were unchanged from August to September throughout the East Bay. These month-to-month trends are important because in the past, real estate activity would typically slow down during the summer and early fall. COVID-19 delayed real estate activity, and a few months later, buyers and sellers are starting to catch up. Let's see, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. Even with more supply during September compared with August, inventory is still way down from last year. Castro Valley, Fremont, Hayward, Union City, all down from 50 to 70%. Sales prices up everywhere. Castro Valley tops $1 million, up 22%. Hayward at 805, up 18%. Oakland up 15%, and Union City also more than $1 million, up 16%. Homes sold, a bit mixed along 880. Alameda, 36 sold, up more than 71%. Castro Valley, 57 sold, up 90%. Oakland up more than 50%, but fewer sales in Albany, Hayward, Newark, and Union City. Up next, West Contra Costa County, where inventory picked up from August to September. But not enough to match last September. Fewer choices for buyers in El Cerrito with only 12 on the market. Hercules 21 for sale, San Pablo 17 for sale. Sales prices are up. El Cerrito tops $1 million. Hercules 720 up 18%. Richmond 640 up 9%. Homes sold, a late summer inventory bump pushed sales. El Cerrito 24 homes sold up almost 120%. San Pablo 16 sold, but sales down in Hercules and Pinole. Central Contra Costa County was an exception, with fewer homes on the market August to September. And fewer homes for sale compared with last year. Clayton 13 on the market, Concord 55, Walnut Creek 44 homes for sale. Sales prices continue to climb. Concord 727 up 16%. Pleasant Hill 900,000 up 10%. Walnut Creek at 1.225 million. Homes sold, buyers were active with the few choices available. Concord 118 sold, Martinez 57, Walnut Creek 73 sold, up 59% from last September. Let's check out La Miranda. Homes for sale, mixed. Lafayette was 60, Moraga 15, almost unchanged, and Orinda 34 for sale, down 40%. Sales prices also mixed. Lafayette 1.7 up 13%, Moraga 1.435 down 4%, Orinda 1.728 up 11%. Homes sold up everywhere. Lafayette 37 up more than 130%. Conditions in each of the Tri-Valley communities were very similar. Homes for sale down everywhere compared with last September. Dublin, 25 for sale, down 58%. Pleasanton, 40 on the market, down 61%. San Ramon, 31 for sale, down 65%. Sales prices up everywhere. Alamo, 2.2 million, 17% up. Livermore, 900,000, up 13%. San Ramon, 1.317, up 27%. Those prices didn't stop buyers. Alamo, 25 sold, more than double than last September. Danville, 102, almost double. Pleasanton, 77 up 33%. San Ramon, 72 up 44%. Low supply and rising prices in the Delta. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Antioch, 52 for sale, down 68%. Oakley, 20 on the market, down 71%. Sales prices, Antioch, 537 up 12%. Discovery Bay at 755 up 22%. Homes sold, buyers want the Delta. Brentwood sales, 109 up 35%. Oakley, 64 up 19%. Pittsburgh, 65 sold, up 38%. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next month.